Hey everybody, welcome to the 2025 Oregon International Auto and Motorcycle Show. Thanks for visiting us here at our booth at AR Auto Service. In years past, we've focused here at the auto show on our motorsport side of the business. This year we want to focus a little bit more on the service side of the business. And so what we have for you are two customer cars, an AC Cobra replica and a Lotus Esprit S4, which is a classic from the 90s that is very near and dear to my heart. Another thing that we want to focus on a little bit more this year are the people behind the scenes rather than just the cars. You'll see videos with Daniel, James, Connor, and Austin. They're a great group of guys, and I think you'll have a fun time meeting them here at the show.
Hi, my name is Connor, and I've been with AR for nearly a year now. Well, I didn't have a literal poster of it. The 2007 and also early 2000s Colin McCree WRC Subaru rally cars are some of the most beautiful cars I ever saw as a kid, and that definitely really ignited the passion for me. I could talk about those cars all day.
Hi, I'm James. I'm lead tech here at AR, and I've been working here for about 8 years. Funniest thing I can think of was a couple of years ago at the 25 Hours of Thunderhill down in California. The people who were pitting next to us came in for a stop, and one of our guys noticed that their car was leaking some kind of fluid. So they finished their stop, car pulls out, he walks out there, dips his finger in it, and tastes it. The rest of the story you can hear at the booth.
My name is Daniel Radcliffe. I've been with AR for 5 years. All right, so behind me is a 94 Lotus Esprit S4. Low volume, hand-built British sports car. Makes it really hard to find parts, but it's one of my favorite cars that we've worked on just because of the sheer rareness of the vehicle. I can give you all the details, just come talk to me and we'll go through everything.
My name's Austin Bradshaw, and I've been working at AR for about 4 years now. I had a camera in my hand a lot growing up as a child with my dad at the track, and that has evolved now into me doing media and content creation for AR. And it's so cool to not only capture the cars, but also showcase and tell the stories of all of our clients and how they enjoy their cars. That's what I just find so cool about the car community as a whole. We can all have different sort of interests directly with, but they're all tied to cars, and any car guy can talk to another car guy. So I'd love to tell you more about my interest and background in motorsports, but also would love to hear about your passion for cars and what project you may have sitting around at your home.
Thanks for visiting us at our booth here at the show. Hopefully we'll see you at the shop soon.